Angels and Dudes. How to make DIY foot scrub and cream for beautiful feet. Learn how to make these DIY foot scrub and foot cream recipes that'll leave your feet soft, smooth, and beautiful. These all-natural recipes can be whipped up at home and are a great way to get your tootsies ready for their spring debut. So throw a pedicure party, invite a few friends, and join in the fun. The ingredients for the foot scrub are pink Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt, European spa salt, Epsom salt, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and fragrance oil. Exfoliating salts sweep away the dead skin cells, coconut oil softens cracks and locks in moisture, and the soothing blend of essential oils has a cooling effect. The ingredients for the foot cream are shea butter, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. Shea butter, avocado oil, and jojoba oil intensely moisturize, smooth, and soften your feet, while essential oils cool, deodorize, and naturally kill bacteria to prevent odors. First, the foot scrub. To make this foot scrub, place the coconut and jojoba oils in a microwave-safe bowl and heat for approximately 15 seconds or until completely melted. Add the salts to the melted oil mixture and blend with the wire whisk to completely incorporate all the ingredients. Sprinkle in the fragrance oil, making sure not to add it to just one spot. Continue whisking until it's all blended in. Then scoop the DIY foot scrub into a jar and cover it with a tight-fitting lid. To use, massage a small amount onto your feet and heels in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Take care when using this DIY foot scrub in the shower. It contains oil which can be slippery. This DIY foot scrub is a great way to show your feet extra love and care. It smooths, exfoliates, softens, and hydrates your feet, leaving behind a baby smooth feel and subtle, invigorating scent. Next is the foot cream. To make this foot cream, place shea butter in a large glass bowl and heat in the microwave in short spurts until the butter is soft. Do not overheat. In another glass bowl, add avocado, jojoba, and vitamin E oils and gently mix together. Then add the essential oils and stir until blended. Add the oil mixture to the shea butter. Using a whisk or stand mixer, whip the ingredients together until the mixture starts to cool and thicken and the product is creamy. Let the cream sit and cool completely. Once cooled to room temperature, transfer the cream into a jar using either a spatula or pastry or Ziploc bag. Allow the cream to cool and set for several hours before use. Store in a closed container and use within 3 months. To use, apply a small amount to your feet and in between your toes and massage into the skin on your legs. You can do this at any time, but it's most effective before bed. For extra moisturizing, you can also apply a liberal layer, put on clean cotton socks, and leave on overnight. You will wake up with soft, fresh-smelling feet. This cooling DIY foot cream is thick and rich and pure heaven for your feet. The cooling oils in this DIY foot cream recipe will feel heavenly on your feet and legs. It even feels incredible going on, smells amazing, and will whip even the roughest and driest skin right into shape. It will work great for a DIY pedicure. For an easy way to pamper your feet, you should also try one of our antibacterial body sprays available at angelsanddudes.com. When paired with this foot scrub, foot soak, and foot cream, these all-natural, non-toxic products will keep your feet and shoes smelling fresh and your feet feeling great all year long. Are you ready to show your feet some extra love and care? Then get the royal treatment right at home and pamper them with a DIY pedicure featuring these DIY foot scrub, soak, and cream recipes. Your feet will thank you afterwards. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and do's. Don't forget to subscribe.